spawner, it's just called WAS because it's weapon attachment spawner. So it's not going to have this big long winded name. It's just called WAS. So infinite sleeping bag, item clarity. We have item clarity, immersive ammo check, better enemy loot, search loot, trader lag fix, burst mode, scope sensitivity, quick slot, slow movement, adaptive HUD, heli go boom. I might add one for testing. I'm going to add the cheat mod because I can spawn the helicopter event and then we can verify that it goes boom. I actually want to see that. I'm going to grab that now. So what I'm talking about is JCM's, I use JCM cheat is what it's called. There's a couple different ones, but I've been using this one religiously for the last few days and I really like it. It works really well. You can do just about anything with it. You can teleport all around Vostok. You can spawn anything you want into the game. You can spawn events. You can, you can make yourself invisible. You can do God mode. Like it just does everything. It's been absolutely essential for testing mods. So not part of the community pack because this is just for gameplay. So, but if you want something like that, you can grab a cheat mod. So where did I leave off? Heli go boom. Okay, better lean, overlapping effects, armed enhancement, attachment, spawner. I think that one has a weird name too. What is it called? What is it called? No, that's not the same one. Is it the same one? Yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay. The same one you were just talking about. Why? For some reason, one of these other ones confused me. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So I know I have that one. That was the weird one. That's called WAS. Okay, crafting expansion, paranoia, despair, custom fonts. Now we're almost there. We're almost ready to actually play the game. Better maps and rig and belt. And now we're just waiting for FLX. It's almost done. 3 more minutes. So at this point, I can just run it. We can just run the game. So we're just going to run it. We're going to go back. We're going to play it. We're going to run it. We'll give FLX a little more time, and then so this is what's going to happen. You just install a whole bunch of mods. You're ready to play the game. You load it up, and you're going to see the Metro mod loader. Now, this is what it will look like with all your mods. You can go in here and turn them on and off. If at this point you want to play vanilla, you would have to turn all these off and the game will just run without mods. I put in a suggestion to for a checkbox to enable select and deselect all the mods. So you don't have to go through here and just turn them all on and off or one by one. So I could just click a box and it will just turn them all off. So hopefully that'll get added in. Let's look at the updates again. Now that we have a whole list of mods, we can go in here, update, check for updates and everything. Okay, so it says immersive ammo check has a new one, so we'll go ahead and try it here through Metro Mod Loader. And it's telling me to restart, so I don't really know. It says down here, if you click this, it says restart. I mean, restart to apply, restart. Okay, I was just going to try it. I mean, it shuts it down and restarts the game, so I guess it's working. I've had issues with that update page showing me that there's updates to download, even though I've already manually installed them. So now we're back to the menu screen. It reloaded, it restarted. The fonts changed. If you need to go back to your mods, they put in a button here, so you can just click mods and it will open up the Metro Mod Loader, and you can go in here and turn things on and off again. Before this was added, you had to quit the game and start all over again. I'm doing it anyways because we're going to check on my file download that I think I may have interrupted. No, it's almost done. It's done. Okay, so we'll do that. All right, so FLX is ready. We're going to install FLX, copy, go back to Steam, cogwheel, manage, browse, mods, paste. It's a bigger file, so all right, now we're ready to rock again. So we're just going to go in, and now I'm going to take another little break, and then we're going to start playing the game, and then we'll see what all the mods do and how they work. And yeah, I haven't done this. I haven't played the game with the mod pack, so it's all new to me. We're going to see what kind of experience we've curated here, and yeah, go from there. We're just going to play the game, and I'm going to try to not debug stuff all day again. So before I get in, before we do that, I'll probably talk about load order and stuff, because part of me thinks it'll be a miracle that like it just works. But this is where we're relying on. I guess I was going to see if like Metro Mod Loader will just put everything in the right order. Like typically some of these things I already know that like right now, the perfect example is rig and belt storage. Yeah, so quick slot items is above rig and belt storage. So right there, I know that's an issue. It will make it so you can't it makes it so when you hotkey the consumable, it just doesn't work. Rig and belt has to be loaded before quick item slots. So I'll just do it right now. How to move it up and down. You're going to click these little arrows. When you click this little arrows, you're going to see the file over here. It'll move up and down. Now rig and belt is at number 29. I want it to go above quick slots, which is number 25. You could do this two different ways. You could move quick slots down, quick item slots down, and move rig and belt up. I'm gonna move rig and belt up because I think it has to have, I think it needs to be higher in the priority anyways. I don't know if anyone's watching this or install me config. What is that? Did I miss something or is that something new? Are you there, Fanto? Sorry, I have my Twitch chat on a different monitor, so I'm not, if I don't look over there, I don't catch it. Unless you're asking me if we want to install something else for balancing. I don't know what me config is. I'm going back to the mod workshop. I'm just going to look this up real quick. So how do we find mods for Road to Vostok? You're going to go to modworkshop.net, games, Road to Vostok, and then you have your mods. I'm just like, this is probably not right at all, but I'm just gonna search it. I should probably look at my Discord, but I closed Discord. All right, I'm not sure what he's referring to. If you're there and you can hear me, I gotta go take a break anyways, real fast. All right, it's no big deal. All right, so we're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna leave that open. Okay, so I was moving in Rostov mod list. Did I miss something? Let me just close this. The loading thing is gonna kill me. Did I actually miss something? What's it called? What's the name of the mod? Come on, game. I just want to exit. Can I just leave, please? The loading, it's like there's something going on. It really takes a long time to load and shut down and things like that. Like that can't be right. Okay, back to Rostov. I don't know what you're referring to. He says it's very similar to this. I can't. I'm taking the day off for a second from customer service.